Hello, welcome once again. My name is Francis. This video, I want to um, show you a business you can start so that you can start making money. And the business I want to show you is all about cleaning, cleaning business, more especially the house cleaning. There's some people that have a lot of cleaning work in the house, but due to work and other things, they cannot combine two of them together, going to work and cleaning house and other things in the house. There's a lot of people that their work consume their time. Yes, so if you are a person that you are looking for something to do and you have a passion for that, about cleaning, yes, then you can start it. Any business or anything that you want to do that involves money, involves making money, and you don't have passion for it, I don't think you can go far in it. So, for you to start this kind of business, you must have passion for this business. Yes. How can we start this kind of a business or services? Yes, first of all, you need to do a marketing research if you want to do it yourself, or uh, you want to engage some funds to make it big. That's more especially people that want to make this business or services big. If you want to make it big, so you need to marketing research. When you do your marketing research, after doing your marketing research, then you know some criteria. You do when you are doing the research, then you need like Google to research on, or Yelp. This is a platform that can you can research about it, and they will tell you the complaint and the complement in that business in our services. Assuming you don't have money to start the business, that you want something to lay your hand on to start something, making money, because this is all about making, or how we can start making, how we can start making money, especially those that doesn't have anything to do, or those that doesn't have a business or doesn't have a work, or if you want to be a self-employed. Yes. So now you can look for people that have already started the business, and so that they can engage you, employ you, so that you start learning the trend to now make you to have more knowledge about the business. And when you have more knowledge about the business, maybe tomorrow you want to start your own, it will not be a difficult task for you. Then now, when you engage yourself with those people that have already started, they will start paying you some little money. At a long run, you may decide to go on your own separate ways to start your own. That is fine. But the reason for you to learn the rope is because you cannot just jump into a business that you don't know the knowledge about. Because when you do that, you find out that in no distant time you become frustrated, or you feel that this business is not worth it, but because you just jump into it without gaining knowledge about the business, it may frustrate you. So that's why you need to learn. You can decide whether it's commercial or newly built house, or uh, residential house cleaning. So whichever you engage yourself into, there is no problem. You still make money out of it. You still make money out of it. So see, the most important thing in anything you want to do is to be very positive and active. Yes, have to be very positive and active. Whenever you are being called and they look for you, they and couldn't find you, they may think that you are not serious. Yes, you have to be serious with your work. Whatever you are doing in this life, you have to be very serious. If you are being very serious, people will regard you, people will value you, people will always call you, people will always rely on you, and for you to be uh, for you to be making money out of any business or anything you are doing in life, you have to be up and doing. Now, assuming now you want to engage in commercial services, a commercial service can be school, it can be a hospital, it can be offices. Yes, and those one can be done during the evening time or very early in the morning. Because in office or in school or hospital, whenever they come for work, they don't need to be disturbed. Yes, so you all this work need to be done mainly in the later in the evening or very early in the morning. So now, what is the requirement? There's not much requirement. The only thing, just discuss the work with the people you want to do the work for. If you don't have money to start it big, what you really need is just have your little equipment. But even if the work has been negotiated, maybe you have negotiated the work, more especially the services of a new built house. Yeah, if you want to clean a new built house, then you need a chemical to buy. You need other things that follows it to buy. So first of all, you have to uh, negotiate the work with the owner. Then after you reach agreement with the owner, then you can take the business, you can take the services, and the owner will pay you some advance so that you can use it to buy some chemical and start your work. Then if you are new in it, you can employ people that have been in the business to help you through the work. Yes, people are doing it. Or you can there's some people that have been doing it, going for other people. They don't have their own, but they are just going for other people. Then you can teach them. Or if you can do it yourself, you can start it. There is nothing need. Or it's gradual process. When you start it gradual, you find out at a long run you'll be making something out of it. So now, if you have not subscribed, before I continue, just like, share, comment, and subscribe. So whenever I drop a video like this, and you become the one of the first people to notified. So now, you know that things doesn't come easily, and things doesn't uh, um, generate income much that easily when you start newly. But for sure, at long run, you start making something out of it. So don't relent. Just do your things. You find out that at a long run, you'll be making much more than you are making at a start. The only thing that can make you progress in this is to be very sincere. I know that there is a lot of people that is into the business, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who and who has been in the business for a long time. What really matter is you. Are you ready to do the business? The reason being like this: when you enter a business, I'm not one of people that believe that a business has been saturated. It's not in my diary. I'm telling the truth. It's in my diary that in every business I beat off my chest to start, hmm, I will make something out of it. The only thing I needed to do is to be good to people, number one, and then know your work. Try to do your work very well. When you do it, you make something out of it. When you do it, you progress. When you do it, you go far, honestly. And see what people need from you, whether business or services, is your sincerity, you're reliable. Yes, transparency is very, very important. And this can be a unique selling point. Yes, it can be a unique selling point, but you don't know. So many people may be in that business. So many companies may be in that business. You may think that that business is saturated, but when you come in and put in your effort, start showing people whom you are, that you can do this more than other people, that you can do this even more than the people that have been in that business for years. You must make something out of it. There is a stage people will start looking for you. Yes, the sincerity is one of the key, and transparency is one of the key but to lead you in a long period of time in a particular business or services you are rendering to people. Yes, it may sound funny, but that is true. And in a business, any business you venture into, try to have your unique selling point. What did I say? I said try to have your unique selling point. USP. Write it with capital letter. Unique selling points. When you have that unique selling point, you will go far. And people will be start saying, ah, it's like this person have done something. It's that people, this person have done this or that, but they have not done anything. The only thing that you know your business very well more than them. Yes, but you know more than them, and when you start doing it, you will go far. So take my advice today. Whatever business you are doing, in any field of work you are into, try to be unique. Don't do things because others are doing it. Do things because you have passion for it and you want to do it as it's supposed to be. And you see, you will progress. You will not be let down. That is my principle in anything I'm doing in life. And it's working for me. And I believe also it will work for you. Once again, share, comment, and subscribe so that whenever I drop a video like this, you become one of the first person to be notified. So now, as I was saying, having knowing all these things and you are ready to start the business, there is one thing I want you to do for me if you are really ready to do this. And that thing is this. When you start making any penny from this business or from these services, try as much as possible to be saving at least 1%. But 1% is not enough. Assuming you make, okay, as you start, uh, you are starting for the first time and you made like 50,000 or 25 or 20, or let's say 20K. You have that 20K. Try as much as possible to save 5,000. 5,000. If you make like 50K, try as much as possible to save like 10K or 15 in a month. Whatever you realize in a month, then try to invest that money in something. Anything at all that you know that will make money for you in future. Anything at all that you know that tomorrow when you sell it, you make money out of it. Every month, I map out some money from my savings and invest in US stock. When you do that, before 1 year, you make money and it continue grows. In this situation, don't save only, but save and invest. I have two ideology in that: stagnant save and progressive save. Stagnant saving, and progressive saving. Which one do you like? If you want to save your money in bank or save your money in somewhere every year, yearly, you'll be saving. Yearly, you'll be saving. I call it stagnant saving. But the one I do, the one I appreciate, the one I love, the one I engage to is progressive saving. When you invest at the end of, if when you save at the end of the month, then you invest with that money. You see that your saving have appreciated. So, my brothers and sisters, I'm just giving you this tip for you to know where I'm going. So now I want you to start something. And if you're a person that have passion for cleaning services, then this is this is my word. Start it today, start making money, and start saving. At the end of the month, whatever you save, try as much as possible to invest it so that it will not be a stagnant saving, that it will be a progressive saving. Bear this in mind. To make money is not easy, but when you have this, you will make money. Even without much struggling, you will make money. So thank you and God bless you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.